Hey fellow backyard warriors, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to make a hanger for arrows or a bow. That way you can display it even if you don't have a rack. All you need is a tack or a command hook to hang it from. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of leather or vinyl. This is a piece of cloth-backed vinyl. I've cut it to about 1 inch wide. This is about 5 inches long. You really just need it long enough so that it'll be able to hold whatever it is you want to hang. So if you're using this to make a mount for a knife or a bow handle, just make sure that this is long enough to wrap all the way around your handle and leave at least about 1 inch to 1.5 inches at the top. Now that I've got my piece, I'm going to start cutting, and I want to go uneven. So I want to start with about 1/4 of the material on one side and about 3/4 of the material on the other, and then cut it at a diagonal so that the other end ends up mirroring the first side. That gets me 2 strips that are thicker on one side and thinner on the other. Now I'll take one of my strips, go about 1/2 inch from the end, fold this in half, and then I want to cut about halfway through. You can see that on that side. I just want to give enough material on either side so it won't tear out easily. Take the other side, fold down about 1 inch, and then I'm going to cut about 3/8 of an inch in, right down the middle. Now that I have that, bring the narrow end up around and then through the hole at the top. Pull it down, slide it until it's centered, then pull it to tighten. Now it'll hold it in place, and we can go ahead and hang it. So now it's time to hang it up. I'm going to go ahead and place it onto this hanging tack right here. And there it is. It's also a nice way of hanging up things like flintknapped knives and other archery kit on the wall. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.